Alright folks, getting ready to head to Goree Island. We missed the main ferry, so we had to take a private boat. And in true African fashion, we were late. Right, Poppy? True African style, late.
Yeah.
Thanks to Poppy. Everybody thank Poppy. So now we get ready to go to Goree Island. This is my second time going to Goree Island. All part of the African Star Show.
In 2 years, 2 years.
2 years, 2008, we went to Goree Island. We're here at Sean Paul. This time around, it's all with the African Star. You know what I'm saying? That's the boat we were supposed to take. This is the boat we're taking. The adventure continues. The adventure continues. That's all I can say. Look at this big motherfucker. Is that a normal sound? Why the engine stop? I'm gonna tell you like this, I don't row shit. I'm not rowing. I'm not swimming either. Better make this motherfucker work. The love boat. Soon we'll be making another run. It's good to be me. That's all I'm saying. And this water is, that's my, oh, time out. First break.